Guys, it is the Dark Passenger here to review Texas Chainsaw Massacre: The Beginning. I know it's been a while, I've just been busy. So yeah, I finally just had time to do a review. But before I get into this review, I just want to give a shout out to Jack Napier. He's a really good reviewer, and a really good friend of mine. So yeah, please subscribe to his channel. I'll put a link in the description, down the bottom. And yeah, this movie is basically about these four teenagers who are kind of on their last road trip before two of them go to Vietnam. And yeah, and also this is about Leatherface and his origins, how he was born and how he basically got into how he got into killing basically. And yeah, that's pretty much what it's about. To me, this movie is probably the best out of all of them. The remake is great, but I reckon this is better than the remake. I like how it explains explains it. His Leatherface's origin, how he got into it, and you see a young Leatherface, which is good. And he basically just started, out this, he basically became this way, because his mother dumped him, I guess. Maybe that was one of the reasons. And also he used to get picked on because he was deformed and everything. But I guess what really set him off, there's a scene in this where the meatpacking plant that he worked at shut down, and that probably was one of the main reasons as well, because after that he goes and kills his boss with a sledgehammer. Now that scene's pretty brutal, and it's one of my favorite scenes in the movie. And also another good scene in this is when right after he kills his boss, with the sledgehammer, he's just kind of walking down the road with it, chainsaw in hand. Then basically the sheriff drives up with his uncle, and that's also when his uncle kind of shoots the sheriff and kind of becomes the sheriff of the town himself. And later on, these teenagers on the last road trip, also kind of run into the sheriff because some biker chick is coming after them. He kills the biker chick and basically captures them and takes them to the house where Leatherface is. And that's kind of how it all starts out, the story with them and Leatherface and everything starts out. And the two of them, the two guys, the two main guys in this, they get basically strung up by Leatherface's uncle and tortured. And yeah, that's also a pretty good scene. In all, this movie is pretty good. I mean, I do enjoy it. It's probably one of my favorite horror movies. And in this, well, this is a spoiler, of course, but this is the only horror movie where everyone gets killed. At the end, we've got Jordana Brewster in this, by Chrissy. At the end, you don't expect her to get killed, but she does. For those of you who haven't seen it, I know that's a spoiler, but yeah, I just had to talk about it. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for now. And again, please subscribe to Jack Napier. Great reviewer and one of my really good friends. Thanks for listening. Subscribe. Stay tuned for more reviews.